Hello students, now we are going to start value based questions of chapter 2. So the question is, Rohit donated 1 upon 5 of his monthly income to an non-government organization, that is NGO, working for the education of the girl child, spent 1/4 of his salary on food, 1/3 on rent and 1 upon 15 on other expenses. He is left with rupees 9,000. So from the monthly salary, how much left with him? 9,000. What we have to find? Rohit's monthly salary. These are the expenses they have given and what the amount is left with him. So we have to find the total salary. Then what values of Rohit are depicted here? And why is the education, especially for girls, important? Okay, so let's start. So what we have to find first? Rohit's monthly salary. So we don't know, so we will write let Rohit's monthly salary be X. Okay, so let Rohit's monthly salary be X. Okay, now from the monthly salary, what all expense he is doing? Okay, so first 1/5 of his monthly income to an NGO. Okay, from his salary is giving this 1/5. Okay, so for NGO what he does? 1/5 of the salary. So 1/5 I wrote, and salary is what? Total X. So 1/5 of X is what? 1x upon 5. Okay, then next what he does? 1/4 of his salary on food. Okay, so for food, what is the expense? Okay, for food it is 1/4. 1/4 of what? Of his salary, from his salary. So it will be 1x upon 4. Next, 1/3 on rent. Okay, for rent how much goes? 1/3 amount. 1/3 of his salary. Salary is X now. So 1x upon 3. Then 1 upon 15 on other expenses. Okay, so we will write other expenses is equal to 1 upon 15th of his salary. So 1x upon 15. And how much is left with him? 9,000. Okay, so amount left is equal to 9,000. So among from his salary X, these all are the expenses and this amount is left with him. Got it? So we will write all the expenses right from here. 1x upon 5, we will add all that, means 1x upon 5. See, 1x upon 5 plus 1x upon 4 plus 1x upon 3 plus 1x upon 15. Okay, all these expenses plus 9,000. This all together makes his salary, that is X. Okay, all these expenses plus what the amount left with him, everything total adds up to his salary. And we have wrote his monthly salary be X. Now we are going to calculate this. So if you see, all these fractions have what? X, like terms. These are like terms. Only 9,000 doesn't have. So we will not solve this first. We will solve this one first. Okay. So if you see, there is addition in between. So what we have to take? LCM. Okay, or addition is there, so we require the denominators same. Okay, so let's see the LCM. What all numbers are there in the denominator? 5, 4, 3 and 15. Okay, so 5, 4, 3 and 15. So I will start. 5 1s are 5, 5 3s are 15. 4 and 3 comes down as it is. Now 3 1s are 3, 3 1s are 3. 4 comes down, 4 1s are 4. So what is the LCM? 5 3s are 15, 15 4s is 60. So 60 is the LCM. Means in the denominator we must get 60. So first we will see 1x upon 5. Now 5 how much? Just 60. How 60 will come? See, 5 3s are 15. Okay, 5 is remaining, 3 4s are 12. Can you see? 5 is as it is, I kept, 3 4s are 12. So I will multiply by 12 over here. So I will get 12 5s are 60. So up also will multiply by 12 plus 1x upon 4 I wrote. So 4 I kept as it, what is this? 3 5s are 15. So 4 into 15 I will get 60 in the denominator plus 1x upon 3. So 3 I kept it as it is. So 5 4s are 20. So 3 into 20 I will get 60. So up also I will multiply by 20 plus 1x upon 15. Okay. So 15 how I will get? 5 3s are 15. See this, 5 3s are 15. So what remains? 4. So 15 into 4. So up also will multiply by 4. And then what remains? Plus 9000 is equal to x. Okay. Now multiply. This is what? 1x into 12 is 12x upon 60 plus 1x into 15 is 15x upon 60 plus 1x into 20 20x upon 60 plus 4x upon 60. Then what remains? 9000 is equal to x. Okay. Now we will write this 60. Now we have equal same denominators, we will write it in common. Okay. So now we'll add the numerators. So it is 12 plus 15 plus 20 plus 4. Okay. So we will, when we add 12 plus 15 plus 20 plus 4, 12 plus 15 plus 20 plus 4. Okay. So 5 plus 4 9 plus 2 11 and 2 3 4 5 51 we get. Okay. So what we got? 51x upon 60 plus 9000 is equal to x. Okay, remaining as it is we wrote. This plus 9000 is equal to x, as it is we wrote. Okay. Now here, now what we will do, we will put this 9000 over here and x will bring here, because see we have 51 plus 51x. So like terms we will bring together and 9000 we will shift there. So 51 upon x I will write as it is upon 60. This x will come here, it will become minus x is equal to 9000 goes there, it will become minus 9000. Okay. Now we have same xx like terms. Now we will take what? LCM again. So here nothing is there, means what? 1. So we will multiply into 60 here. So up also will multiply 60. So we will get same denominators. So now what? We have 51 x upon 60 minus x into 60 is 60x upon 60 is equal to minus 9000. Right. Next. Now we have same denominators, we will write it in common. In above what we have? 51x minus 60x is equal to minus 9000. Okay, we wrote this. Now sign of 51 is what? Plus. Plus minus minus. So 60 minus 51 is what? 9x. 51 minus 60 is 9x. Who is bigger? 60. What is the sign of 60? Minus. So I'll get minus 9x upon 60 is equal to minus 9000. Now this is what? Division. So I will put 60 here. We have to find the value of x. So first we will put this divide by 60 here. So when it will go there, it will become multiply by 60. So minus 9x is equal to minus 9000. As it is I wrote, only divide by 60 goes this side. So it will become multiply by 60. Okay. Then see, now between 9 and x, what is the sign? Multiplication. Between 9 and x, it is multiplication. So I have to find the value of x. So I have to send this minus 9 over here. So when there is multiplication in between, so when I send 9 over here, it will become divide by 9. So I will write this x as it is equal to as it is, this everything as it is I wrote, and I will put this minus 9 over here, it will become divide by 9. See, this is division, divide by 9. So I have only x over here. Okay. Now we will reduce this. So see, 9 ones are 9, 9 ones are 9 and this 3 zeros, right? And this minus and minus sign also gets cancelled. So what I have, 1000 into 60. So I'll write 6 and remaining zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 zeros, that is 60,000. So X value we got as 60,000. And what is X? X is the Rohit's monthly salary. Okay, Rohit's monthly salary be X. So his monthly salary is what now? 60,000. Okay, so you can write the first answer. Rohit's monthly salary is 60,000 rupees you can put. Okay, so now next question they have told, what values of Rohit are depicted here? Now what we can see, others are like his expenditure on food expenses, but among this the donation, what is there? Rohit donates his 1/5 of the monthly income to the NGO. So this is the value of kindness we can see. Okay, he is showing his kindness towards girls' education. So what values of Rohit are depicted here? Value of kindness. Okay, so we can see kindness, we can see his sensitivity towards girls' education. Sensitivity towards girls' education. Okay, now third question, why is education especially for girls important? Yes, the education for girls are it is very important for their overall development. Okay, and it also empowers for them to build a better future. Okay, for themselves, their families, for the society. Okay, so let's write it. So you can write, the education for girls, especially for girls, is important for their overall development, for their overall development and empowers them to build a better future. Further you can write, for them or their families and society. Okay, future for themselves, families and society. Okay, so in this way we have completed the value based question of chapter 2. So now we are going to start enrichment question of chapter 2. Complete the following magic square of multiplication. So here is a box. Okay, we can see the rows and columns, and there are some are filled and some are blank space. So we have to fill in this blank space. Okay, if we see here, we have 1 upon 81, 1 upon 81, somewhere we have 1 upon 9, 1 upon 3, 1 upon 27. But if we see all these numbers, these are going in 3 table. Okay, so let's solve it. Okay, so we have wrote the question, we have drawn the table. Now here if we see, in the first row, these 2 columns are filled, the first and the third one, and in middle it is blank. Same here, first and last one is filled, middle it is blank. Here next here, first and third is filled, here it is blank. So we have to fill in all these blank spaces. Okay, so now first we'll see this. In the diagonal, all the 3 spaces are filled. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Here also in the diagonal, all the spaces are filled. Okay, so now how to fill this? First of all, we'll see this 1 upon 81 and 1 upon 81. We'll simplify this number. They are going in 3 table. We can see there is something related to 3. So this go in 3 tables. So we'll simplify 81. Okay, now let's see how to simplify. So see, 81 is there. So I will simplify 81. Okay, by this method. So 3. We'll take 3. 3 2s are 6. 2 remains. 3 7s are 21. 3 9s are 27. 3 3s are 9. 3 1s are 3. So how many times I got 3? 4 times. 1 2 3 4. So 4 times we get what? 81. The 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, 27 3s are 81. Okay. Same way we have other numbers also, like here it is 9. So what is 9? 3 into 3. So when 3 square is what? 9. Okay. 3 to the power of 4 is what? 81. 3 square is what? 9. One more 27 is here. So how do we get 27? 3 into 3. 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. So 3 times 3. Okay. So 3 cube is what? 27. Got it? But here everything is 1 upon. It is all in fraction. So I will write for 1 upon 81. What will write? 1 upon 3, right? And it's 4 times, okay? 1 upon 3 to the power of 4. Then again 1 upon 27, it is how much? 3 times. So we'll write 1 upon 3, 3 times. For 1 upon 9, what we'll write? 1 upon 3, 2 times. See, 2 times, okay? So this we have to write. This means, what is 2? 1 upon 3 is repeated 2 times. So we get 1 upon 9. 1 upon 3 into 1 upon 3. It is like this. 1 upon 3 into 1 upon 3. We get 1 upon 9. 3 3s are 9. So 1 upon 3 2 times. What is this? 3 indicates that this 1 upon 3 is 3 times. 1 upon 3 into 1 upon 3 into 1 upon 3. So answer we get 1 upon 27. Same for here. Okay. So we will write down that first. So 1 upon 81, the simplest form we are going to write. 1 upon 3 to the power of 4. Okay. For then 1 upon 27, 1 upon 3 to the power of 3. 1 upon 9, 1 upon 3 to the power of 2. And one more, only 1 upon 3 is there. It is single. So it is only what? Same, 1 upon 3. Only raised to 1. Okay. Like this. Okay. So now, next thing, if we see in the diagonal, this is the diagonal. This is one diagonal and this is second diagonal. If you see, all the spaces are filled. Okay. So we will calculate this. Okay, how many times the 3 is there. Okay. So how to calculate? See, 1 upon 81. So 3 is how many times? 4. Okay. Again 1 upon 81. 3 is how many times? 4. So let's solve this. See here. So 1 upon 81. How much times it is? 4. So I will write 4. Then next is again 1 upon 81. So 3 is 4 times again. Okay. Then in the diagonal we are calculating. Okay. In the this way. So this 2 I have done. Now this 1 upon 3, it means 1 time. So I will add plus 1. Then 1 upon 81 again came. So 1 upon 81 is how many times? 4 times. So plus 4. Okay. Then this we finished. Now here 1 upon 3 again it is 1 time. So I will write 1 plus again 1 upon 3 1 times. I will write 1. Right. So I have wrote all the numbers at what times they have been there. Okay. So now we will add this. 4 plus 4 8 9 plus 4 13 14 15. So it is 15 times 1 upon 3. So it is 15 times 1 upon 3. Got it? Now for this side also, this diagonal also will check whether it is 15 times. Okay. So start here again 1 upon 81 means it is how much? 4 times, right? 1 upon 81 is how much? 4 times 3. So I wrote 4. Then it is 1 upon 9. So 1 upon 9 is how many times? 2 times. So I will write 2. Okay. Then this finished here. 1 upon 3 means 1 time. So I will write here 1. Then 1 upon 81 again 4 times. So we will write 4. Then this finished. Then 1 upon 27. It is 3 times. So I will write plus 3. Then 1 upon 3 is 1 time. So I will write 1. Now we will add this. So 4 plus 2 6, 7, 11 plus 3 14, 15. See here also we get 15. So like this also we get 15 times. Like this also we get 15 times. So this clue we have got that here also when we add everything we should get 15 times. Got it? So now we will start the first line over here. See, it is what 1 upon 81, 1 upon 81 blank here, 1 upon 81 and 1 upon 9 and total, and here we have to add some numbers, some fraction like this, so the total gets to 15 times. Okay, so first we will write this 1 upon 81 means how many times? 4 times. Okay, then again 1 upon 81 we have, so it will be also 4 times. Okay, total we got 8. Now here 1 upon 81 again 4 times, so 8 plus 4 is 12, plus here 1 upon 9, so 1 upon 9 is how much? 2 times, so we will add 2, so how much we get? 14. And for making the total of 15, how much is remaining? Only 1, so only 1 is what? 1 upon 3. Okay, so what I will write here? 1 upon 3. Got it? Okay, see, now next we will do this last one. Okay, last line. We will do this second line afterwards. First we will complete this. Okay, so again we will start. See, first is what? 1 upon 27. So for 1 upon 27, 3 is repeated how many? 3 times. So we will write 3. Okay, plus then 1 upon 3 is what? 1 time. So I will write 1. Then again 1 upon 3 is 1 time. Again 1 upon 3 is 1 time. So how much it is? 3 plus 1, 4, 5, 6. 6 times. And we have to fill here some numbers. But totally what we require is 15 times. So 15 minus 6 is 9. Okay. So 15 minus 6 is what? 9. So here we have to make it 9 times. Okay. So see how we can make 9 times. If we see 1 upon 81 is how many times? 4. So we want to make what? 9 times. So 4 plus 4, 2 times if we write. So 4 plus 4 is 8 and plus 1 is what? 9. Right. So what is our 4? 1 upon 81. Again 1 upon 81. And what is 1? 1 upon 3. Okay. So this will give us 9 times. Got it? So I will write 1 upon 81, that is 4 times. So this is 4. Multiply by 1 upon 81. Again this is 4. 4 plus 4, 8. Multiply by 1 upon 3 means this is 1 time. So it becomes 9. So totally if we see, it will be 15 times. Okay. Now we will move to this. From here we now require 15 times. So first we will see it is how many times. So this is 1 upon 81 means 4 times. Right? We have discussed this earlier. Na? 1 upon 80 means the 4th power. 1 upon 27 means 3rd power. 3 times. 1 upon 9 means it is 2 times. And 1 upon 3 is 1 time. Okay. So 1 upon 81 is what? 4 times. So 1 upon 81, I wrote 4 times. Again 1 upon 81 is there. So I will write it 4 times. Then we don't have anything here. Here now. 1 upon 27. It is how many times? 3 times. So I will write 3 times. Plus 1 upon 3 is 1 time. So we'll add 4 plus 4, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. This is total 12 times. But we require what? 15 times. So 15 minus 12 is what? 3. More 3 times we require. So more 3 times we already have. Na? 3 times we can take this 1 upon 27. It is 3 times. So if I write 1 upon 27, I get, okay, so total it goes to 15 times. Okay. Now we'll come to the last. Again we will see how many times they are. So now 1 upon 81. 1 upon 81 is how much? 4 times. So I will write 4. Then 1 upon 9 is how many times? 2 times. So I will write 4 plus 2. Then here nothing is there, down. 1 upon 3 means 1 time. And again 1 upon 3, 1 time. So what it is? 4 plus 2, 6, 7, 8. Okay. But we require 15. So 15 minus 8 is what? 7. So more 7 times we require. Okay. So 7 times we can take this also. 1 upon 81 is 4 times and 27 is 3 times. So 4 plus 3 is 7. Okay, got it? The 7 we require here total. So 4, 1 upon 81 we take, and 4 plus 3 is what? 7. So these two numbers we will take. Okay, so 1 upon 81 multiply by 1 upon 27. Okay, so in this way we have completed this square. So we have completed enrichment question of chapter 2.